Pete here, N6QW. This is my prototype of the PSSST-20. And I had it out yesterday because I thought I was going to work on the 7QP contest. That's the 7-color QSO party. And so I dug it out and I put things on it. I had it in a box and I had some stuff piled on it. And mine is a 2-band version. I can either select 20 meters or 40. And I didn't get anything out of it. And the problem was right here. And these are some old trimmer capacitors I had. They're 15 to 60. And this is the bandpass filter. And this one in particular here, you can see behind the grade wire there, a first solder joint. These were old capacitors in a box, and the contacts were tarnished. And I thought, well, I'll just put the little solder on there, heat them up, and it'll take care of getting the gunk off. This was a cold solder joint right there, right between the orange and the gray wire. And it took me a little while to find it. I hit it, and all of a sudden the receiver came alive. So I knew that was a problem. I had to fix that. And then I have a new board here that I installed. This first amp on the left is the steerable amp. Steerable amp is used both as a receiver RF amp and as a transmit pre-driver, and that's the driver stage right there. I was testing out using a mimic device at the left stage, the steerable amp. And what I had not realized is one time I had the power supply set up too high, and there was no voltage regulation going to this particular circuit. So the dropping resistor was not the right value, and really, in essence, I had smoked it, so I had two problems. So I had this board. It took me a couple of minutes just to solder in a couple of wires, screw down the board. Anyway, sometimes stuff catches you, and being able to diagnose the problem is really significant. But I had two, one a cold solder joint right there, and replacing this board, and now it puts out about 2 watts. So I'm kind of happy here that I got it working, but I didn't get it working in time to get it on the 7QP, because this would have been a lot of fun. Anyway, looks like hell, but it does work very, very well once you fix some things here. So always keep in mind what you do later on, and to be able to sort out all the wiring. I kind of use a convention here. Orange wires always receive on, and yellow is transmit, so it's easy to follow the wires. Anyway, Pete here, sharing a little tale of woe with you this morning.